To use Walmart Pay at Register, start by making sure you have the Walmart app installed on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, open it and navigate to the Services tab. Then select Walmart Pay. Next, you will need to add a payment method to your Walmart Pay account. You can add a credit or debit card, or even a gift card. To do this, select Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to enter your card information. You can also add multiple payment methods and choose which one to use for each transaction. Now, when you are ready to check out at a Walmart store, open the Walmart app and navigate to the Walmart Pay section. Select the payment method you want to use and generate a QR code. This code is unique to your transaction and will be used to process your payment. At the register, let the cashier know that you want to use Walmart Pay. They will scan the items you are purchasing and then prompt you to pay. Hold your mobile device with the QR code over the scanner at the register. The cashier will then scan the QR code to process your payment. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a digital receipt on your mobile device. You can also view your transaction history and access your digital receipts in the Walmart app at any time. Using Walmart Pay at Register is a convenient and secure way to pay for your purchases. It eliminates the need to carry cash or credit cards. And you can even earn rewards and discounts through the Walmart app. By following these steps, you can easily use Walmart Pay at Register and make your shopping experience faster and more convenient.